Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest landscape update. And this is another plant that we like to use. This is Anthony Waterer Spirea. It has these pretty pink blooms to it, and this one will bloom in late spring on into the summertime. It gets somewhere around, 2.5, 3 feet tall. It's very, very, very hardy plant. It does fine in the wintertime. It is what we call semi-deciduous, which means that it is going to drop its leaves mostly in the wintertime. So we want to have some evergreen plants around it as well. But as you can see, this is a beautiful plant in the late spring and on through the summertime. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.